Hello and welcome to the CWC Library website. Today I'm going to be going over how to use the library catalog. You can find the catalog in two ways on the main webpage. Down here on the third big bubble, library catalog, or materials in the library catalog. They both go to the same spot. On this first page, you can see new items that have been accessioned into the library. This gets updated on a daily or weekly basis, depending on when we have books coming into the library. We have these other buttons here, one for nursing, one for Native American, Caldecott, and our quick reads. All of these are going to be showing the most up-to-date books that have been accessioned into the catalog. Up on the top of the page, you'll find online resources. So if you need to look into databases, e-journals, or open access articles, and then also citation help. This bar here is where you're going to do your searches. Let's just do nursing as an example. When you do the search, what may initially come up are some novels. So you want to do some different ways of narrowing down this. You can see that this book right here is actually an ebook. So we're going to click on books because that'll show us books that are in the Central Wyoming College Library. This book is here at CWC. And you can see right here, this is what you're going to be writing down in order to find the book in the stacks. RT82C33 2020. This last number here, 2020, that's the year that the item was published. So this is a pretty up-to-date information. You can go down and see that all these other books are also in the RT section. So when you're searching for something and maybe you find this first book, you also want to look on the shelf around that book or above or below to see if there's books that may be relevant to what you are looking into. When you click into the book, you can see it has a summary. It has more like this, so other items in the catalog that are similar. You can also see here the subjects book. Maybe you're looking more for philosophy, okay? You can do that too. We're going to click on books again and see what comes up here. Okay, if we want to narrow this down even further, you can click over here to subject and then click on more, and you can see all these different subjects that come up with philosophy. So we just want nursing philosophy. So we'll click on nursing there. These three books come up, and you can see they're all in the same area. Maybe you're looking for something that isn't at CWC. You can click on this button here, All Wild Libraries. Wyoming Libraries work as a consortium. So all the public libraries and the community college libraries, you have access to their books. So you can click on this button and see what else is in here. So maybe this book, Spirituality in Nursing, is of interest to you. You can click on Show All Copies. You can see that it's at some other of the colleges, so that's great. And maybe you want to request this. You can do something called an Interlibrary Loan. You can put in your barcode number. So on the back of your CWC card, there is a barcode and it has a 14-digit number associated with it. You would want to write that in, and then the PIN is going to be WYLD, W-Y-L-D, all capitalized. Once you put that in, then it's going to say that you're requesting the item. This is the book title. The location it needs to go to is Central Wyoming College. If you need to add a note, you can, and then you push this button. The book will come up in 5 to 7 days, and you have it for about 2 weeks. So if you really want to book one of these other books, we have so many resources because we work as a consortium. So you can have access to all of these other items here. Okay. Maybe this book is the one that you're looking at and you want to make sure that you can find it again easily without searching it. You can add it to a list. And then here, let me do a different book because I already have the book on the list. Oh, you find another book. maybe I want to add this book to a list. I already created a list. You can create a new list and say save to list, close. The way you see your list is you click on your name here and go down to your lists. And you can see here's that nursing project list. And then you can see I have 3 books in it. Okay. There you go. That's how you would do that. We have so many more videos on writing, researching, citations, and more on the CWC Library website. Remember, you can always ask a librarian because no question is too small, and we're always here to help. So we hope to see you here in the library another day. See you soon. Bye-bye.